Camco's Pro-Tec line of cleaning solutions are professional strength and designed to make the dirty work of cleaning and maintaining your RV or trailer a breeze. The Pro-Tec Rubber Roof Care System is a two-step treatment that helps prevent future maintenance costs by cleaning, conditioning, and protecting your RV rubber roof. Step 1 removes black streaks, oxidation, and road film buildup on your rubber roof, helping to protect it from damage. The specially formulated blend of surfactants and conditioners deep cleans and conditions your rubber roof. Step 2 helps resist dirt, protect against UV damage, and reduce roof chalking. With Pro-Tec's Rubber Roof Care System, you can rest assured that you're cleaning in a safe and efficient way that will help maintain the look of your RV for years to come. The Pro-Tec Rubber Roof Care System from Camco. Get some today. Also, check out our full line of Pro-Tec cleaners, sure to breathe new life into your RV.
Camco.net.